Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. Today we're going to show you the remote starter installed on a Smart. This is a Smart 2016, Smart ForTwo. They installed the remote starter with a CompuStar 2-way G15. One of the challenges that we had in this vehicle is actually having the power locks to work when the car is running. The factory remote does not function when the car is running. And the vehicle power locks are a single wire that does lock and unlock. So a bit of challenge how to install it in a way that you will not press lock and actually open the doors or the other way. So we solved the problem. We have a dedicated lock, dedicated unlock, no mixing. To start the vehicle, we're going to hold the start button until the LED light will flash green. That means our system received the command and it's going to get engaged. The system will turn on, the vehicle will start, and on the remote, we're going to have a confirmation that the vehicle is running. While the vehicle is running, as I mentioned, factory remote does not unlock, so you cannot get in. But the aftermarket remote will allow us to get into the vehicle, open the door, put the key to on position, and we've done the takeaway procedure. Remote starter for smart vehicles and other special vehicles can always be done by our team at CSI. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.